Hi coders, welcome to day 1 of the AI Gen series. In this series, we will build 56 AI projects in 56 days. Today, we are starting with something very practical, a text summarizer app. By the end of this video, you will be able to take long text and turn it into short, meaningful summaries with just a few lines of Python. Next, move on to this slide. What is text summarization? Content here showing is long text, short summary. Keeps only the key point. Means what? Text summarization is a natural language processing task where we shorten long text while keeping its meaning intact. Think about how news apps show article highlights or research papers give abstracts. Summarization is everywhere. This is real world uses. Content you can see news apps, legal documents, education. News apps quick previews. You can see it. Legal documents highlight key information. Education simplify content. So summarizers are useful in real world apps. News apps use them for quick previews. Lawyers use them to extract key classes, and educators use them to simplify content for students. That's why this project is a great starting point. Now we will use Hugging Face Transformers, one of the most popular NLP libraries. Just open your terminal or Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab and run pip install transformers. For Google Colab, you have to use exclamatory pip install transformers. That is it. Your summarizer is ready to go. We are going to see in the demonstration how to write the code for this summarization app. Okay, now you see here few lines equal to working summarizers. Load module summarize print. Here is the Python code. We will import the summarization pipeline, feed in text and print the summary, just a few lines and it's done. Like that the code will generate the output. Let us move on to the demonstration right now. Demonstration, we are going to input a long paragraph and you can see the output. It will be short and clear summary. Now let's test it with a sample article. The model will generate a short summary in just seconds. Watch closely. Now let us go to Google Colab and we'll see the notebook. Now you are seeing the blank notebook here. So into type from transformers import pipeline. So from transformers import pipeline. Okay, then what I do is, so I have to load the summarization pipeline. So next point is load summarization. Okay, so I need to install the package pip install transformers. Okay, so what I do is I just copy this into next code box so that I will run separately this first. So first one is running. Next I will make it ready. The summarizer is okay. This is already satisfied. It's already loaded. No issues. Okay. Is a variable summarizer. Is giving, see, it's giving automatically. I say here a model equal to Facebook dot bot LARGECNN. This is a model name. We are using this model name from the Facebook. Okay, so we are using transformer from the Facebook that they have created this model. Now I need to give an input text. So I take one input. So I take article equal to, so I have to give some text. I'm just giving this. Now I have initialized the summarizer as variable and I have given pipeline using summarization. Okay, pipeline summarization and model equal to this. Now Next is summary equal to summarizer. That is this summarizer. This article max length, everything is automatically giving. See, this maximum length 130. You are controlling the length. Okay, maximum length 139. We will give you 50. So I am controlling length. Minimum length is 20. Okay. Do sample. These are the parameters. So I am using this model, that is summarization, that's a variable, using this pipeline summarization, this pipeline from the transformers. These are the code. Okay, you used to remember this code. Summarize is the variable. So summary equal to summarizer. I am using this model. I am controlling the length of the summary, that is 50, maximum length, minimum length is 20. So we are controlling that. Otherwise it gives whatever you give maximum length, it will give in between that. So I am just giving a print command. Original text, I just backslash, and there is next line should come. The article is the name. Now original text is article. You see, article I given as original text is article here. Article, original text. Now print, I want to summary, backslash, next line you should give summary. Summary is summary backslash n comma n, no, I have to give like this comma summary, then it should actually know first line. Okay, then summary text, summary underscore text. I'll just run and see. I have to remove this. Line 8 article equal to now it will run and it will produce the original text plus summary. Oh, okay. Okay, these are, we can ignore this, no problem. So here this original text is artificial intelligence is transforming industries worldwide, and the summary is artificial intelligence is transforming, it's giving short summaries. See, now it is working well. This command is working well. This actually HTTP token doesn't exist in your collab secrets to authenticate with the Hugging Face create token. These are all you must ignore. This is a warning. This is a general warning. This is between summary, whatever article, whatever paragraph you give here, okay, and you can control the length of the output and it will generate. Okay, so when you call summary equal to summarizer article maximum length 50, min length 20, do sample false, but the summarizer pipeline returns list of dictionaries like summary underscore text only. Okay, summary underscore text only, list of dictionary. So this is actually it forms the list of dictionary and it gives your long summary, that is concatenated summaries. This Hugging Face gives an pipelines using standardized keys depending on the task. Okay, for the summarization task, the output key is summary underscore text. For translation, it is used translation underscore text. Okay, for text generation, it's used generated underscore text. Okay, So this way it is automatically, we have to write like this way only. Anyway, that's all the presentation for the first app, summarization app in the series AI Gen. Thank you. Congratulations, you have just built your first AI project of this series, a text summarizer app. Tomorrow in day 2, we will build another exciting AI app. Don't forget to subscribe, because for the next 56 days, we will build a new generative AI project every day.